I remember a woman, she was paraplegic, and she told me there's nothing I can do anymore, and her hands were all tied. And I remember that I had to open her hand. I put a rope in her hand and folded her hand back and said, pull. And she pulled together with 10 other people, and the sail was going up. And I said, pull, and the sail was going up. And 15 minutes later, the sail was up. And I looked at the woman with a big smile on her face. She was so happy. And the next day she said, you don't have to help me anymore with the rope in my hand. I know how to do it myself.
America's Freedom Sailor is going to design the first and only universal design tall ship to the world.
Cruise ships are accessible. The few tall ships in England are accessible. But there is not one universal design in the world. And so we like to build the first one here.
There's never been universal design included in a vessel. And that's why it's very important that we've made this connection with the University of New Orleans and the University of New York Buffalo to bring this whole project to fruition.
Because the adventure is that people cross the ocean. The way it goes with Lord Nelson is they book for 2 years, they set up the whole tour for 2 years, and people can book in. The boat is in Brazil on a particular day.
Universal design is creating a space on a ship, a building, anywhere where people with disabilities and people without disabilities feel comfortable and are able to perform all their functions without discomfort or any kind of obstacles.
So we have some suggestions here that we looked at as far as rigging goes, and we like the opinion on it.
The Lotgerdina is one of the few accessible tall ships in the world. It's made for people with disabilities from Holland, sometimes from Belgium, not from the United States. The boat is completely booked for life. There are only 15 million people as a whole in Holland, but here are 50 or 60 million people with disabilities just in the United States. So there is a big need for a tall ship like that.
Beam question, that's fine.
If he has preference.
Beam question. We're the people that know boats. We understand boats, we get them, and we're going to design the boat as a boat. But we are incorporating the expertise from the university at New York, at Buffalo, who is a school of inclusive design. And we are really using their expertise as a guideline to how do we take what we know about a boat and we make it universally designed for people of all types. So you know that we can have a boat that's unique.
As something continuous, it would feel natural because your looks are what will fascinate people and will sell the ship. Not literally sell the ship, obviously, but that's what will make you want to come back. And in a lot of cases, that fascination is what makes you look back on the experience and have fond memories. Just like going out and seeing the Grand Canyon or mountains or lakes. It's because it's beautiful, right? And that's where the aesthetics comes in. It plays a secondary role, but it should not be overlooked.
With such a large group of enthusiastic people, there is still one missing partner, you. We need you on board. You with your creative ideas, you with your professional background, or simply you with your wallet. So think about a way to help us out. So on the end, we can say, the first universal design tall ship in the world is our tall ship.